When your father-in-law is a dentist, the one question you never want to ask is, tell me some crazy stories about the things you've seen over the years. Because if your toothbrush stays damp, it could be a breeding ground for issues. And this toothbrush cleaner and holder is designed to keep toothbrushes clean, dry, and ready to use every time, so you don't have to have stories told about you. 3 things that really stand out to me about this are: 1 is designed for bacteria and mold growth. By drying your toothbrush effectively, it reduces moisture buildup, and that's the breeding ground for bacteria and mold. Secondly, it keeps the toothbrush hygienic. The UV light is designed for sanitizing the toothbrush, preventing the buildup of unwanted germs between use. And 3, it extends the life, particularly of more expensive electric toothbrushes. The UV dryer helps maintain the integrity of the toothbrush, so ideally, it stays effective longer. These are electric toothbrushes that accommodates those just fine, and then if you want to use a smaller head traditional toothbrush, that works as well. I love that it closes. LED screen shows the cleaning progress, the on-off, the air dryer, the battery, the infrared, as well as the UV cleaning indicator. Once the machine closes, it disinfects for 20 seconds and air dries for 100 seconds with the air coming in through a filtered system. And it repeats that cycle every 3 hours, 20 seconds disinfect, 75 seconds air dry. It is motion sensitive as long as you wave your hand in the front, and you can even use these thicker, heavier electric toothbrushes with no problem, or a very fat, tall head of a traditional toothbrush. It accommodates both easily, as long as it's a slim head design. And if you have any issues, you see I purposely took it out there and had issues getting it out, but then you can just wave motion, open it, reclose it, no problem there. It was easy to install. There's a sticky system you stick to the wall, and then you just slide the track right on top of that. And every 30 days, it does have a USB-C port on the side of the machine. You can either take it off the wall, or you can simply plug it into the wall from there without having to remove the machine from the wall. I just plug that in here, and I do have an outlet relatively close by. The cord is provided, the part into the wall is not. For me, it's a very fast USB-C charge, and it did hold the battery life 30 days. If you have any issues, they give you support to reach out to, as well as a free 1-year replacement after sales. So I no longer use a wet toothbrush. I have this toothbrush holder that actually cleans and dries. The ultimate upgrade. Everything's fresh and ready to go, and I don't have to wonder if it's actually clean. Hope this helps.